Hey there, language learners. Welcome to Rapid English Podcast, where learning English is fast, fun, and effortless. Grab a coffee, relax, and dive into real practical English with us. Hit subscribe and let's get started.
English speaking practice conversation. Checking into a hotel. Walking to the front desk, pulling a suitcase behind him. Good evening. I have a reservation under the name John Smith. Good evening, Mr. Smith. Welcome to Grandview Hotel. Let me check your reservation. Yes, I see you're booking for 3 nights. That's correct. Can I get a room with a city view? Let me check. Yes, we have a deluxe room with a city view available. Would you like to upgrade for an additional $20 per night? That sounds good. I'll take it. Great choice. May I have your ID and a credit card for check-in? Sure, here you go. Hands over ID and card. Thank you. Your room number is 12 Phi on the 12th floor. Here's your key card. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area. Got it. Also, is there a gym in the hotel? Yes, our gym is on the 5th floor and is open 24/7. Perfect. One more thing, can I get a wake-up call at 6 a.m. tomorrow? Absolutely, we'll give you a wake-up call at 6 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with? Actually, yes. Do you have a shuttle service to the airport? Yes, we do. Our airport shuttle runs every hour on the hour. Would you like me to schedule a ride for you? That would be great. I have a flight at noon. What time would you recommend I leave? I would suggest taking the 9 a.m. shuttle to allow enough time for security and check-in. That makes sense. Please book me for that shuttle. Done. You are booked for the 9 a.m. airport shuttle. Anything else I can do for you? Yes, could you recommend some good restaurants nearby? Of course. If you like Italian food, I highly recommend Luigi's Trattoria, just a 5-minute walk from here. For a great steak, you can try the Prime Grill, which is about 10 minutes away by taxi. That sounds great. Do I need a reservation for these places? Luigi's usually has walk-in availability, but the Prime Grill is quite popular, so I recommend making a reservation. Would you like me to book a table for you? Yes, please. I'd like a table for one at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Let me make the call. Done. Done. You have a confirmed reservation at a Prime Grill at 7:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m. That's awesome. Thank you so much. My pleasure. If you need anything else during your stay, just dial 0 from your room phone. Got it. Thanks again. You're very welcome, Mr. Smith. Enjoy your stay.
Hey there, language learners. Now that you've listened to our hotel check-in conversation, let's test your understanding with some quick questions. 1. What's the name of the hotel where John is staying? 2. How many nights has he booked? 3. What kind of room does he request? 4. How much does the room upgrade cost per night? 5. On which floor is John's room? Let's go a bit deeper. 6. What details does the receptionist ask for at check-in? 7. What time is breakfast served? 8. Where is the hotel gym and when is it open? 9. What time does John request a wake-up call? 10. Why does the receptionist suggest taking the 9 a.m. shuttle? Now think about your own experience. 11. Have you ever checked into a hotel? What was it like? 12. What questions would you ask if you were in John's place?
Nice job. Let me know if you'd like to practice another scenario. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this practice session. Keep shining, keep learning, and remember, every conversation brings you one step closer to fluency. See you next time.